What if you could own a GPS drone that's light enough to fit in your backpack, packed with smart flight features, and in many places doesn't require registration because it weighs under 250 grams? Today, we're reviewing the GT60 GPS Drone, a foldable quadcopter featuring GPS positioning, obstacle avoidance, auto return, follow me mode, waypoint flight, a built-in screen controller, and even an airdrop function. But does it deliver an enjoyable flying experience for beginners and hobbyists? Let's find out. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Caring Guy. If you love drones, cameras, smart gadgets, and innovative technology, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Now, let's take to the skies with the GT60 GPS Drone. The GT60 immediately stands out with its compact, foldable design. Folded, it's only about 15.5 by 10.5 by 9 centimeters, making it easy to slip into a backpack or travel bag. One of its biggest advantages is its 245-gram takeoff weight. In many countries, including the United States, drones under 250 grams have fewer recreational registration requirements than heavier models. However, drone laws vary by country, so always check your local regulations before flying. For travelers and beginners, that lightweight design is a major convenience. The GT60 features a 720p HD front camera with an electronically adjustable 90-degree tilt. Instead of landing to change your shooting angle, you can adjust it remotely while flying. Electronic image stabilization, or EIS, helps reduce the appearance of shake, making footage look smoother than it otherwise would. While this isn't a professional filmmaking drone, it's well-suited for travel videos, outdoor adventures, family events, camping, and social media content. One feature that makes the GT60 especially beginner-friendly is its built-in 4.3-inch screen controller. Instead of connecting your phone every time you fly, the controller displays live FPV video, battery level, GPS signal, altitude, distance, and other flight information. That means faster setup and fewer distractions while flying. GPS is where this drone really starts to shine. The built-in GPS module enables several intelligent flight modes. First, auto return home. If the signal is lost, or you simply press the return button, the drone can navigate back toward its recorded takeoff point when GPS conditions allow. Second, follow me mode. The drone can follow the controller's GPS position, making it useful for hiking, cycling, or outdoor adventures without needing another person to control the camera. Third, Waypoint Flight. Simply select points within the compatible app, and the drone can fly along the planned route automatically. Safety is another highlight. The GT60 includes front obstacle detection sensors, designed to warn or assist when obstacles are detected ahead. Like many drones in this price range, obstacle sensing works best under suitable lighting and may not detect every object or direction, so it's still important to fly carefully and maintain visual awareness. Think of it as an extra layer of assistance, not a substitute for responsible piloting. For indoor flights or low-altitude hovering, the GT60 also includes optical flow positioning. Using a downward-facing sensor, the drone can maintain a steadier hover when GPS signals are weak or unavailable. This is especially helpful when recording smoother footage or learning to fly. Here's one of the most interesting features. The GT60 supports an optional lightweight airdrop mechanism, allowing you to release small objects while flying. Possible uses include dropping fishing bait, delivering lightweight party favors, creative aerial photography, educational demonstrations, or simply having fun with friends. Remember that payload capacity is limited, and local rules may apply to dropping objects from drones. Power comes from a 3.7-volt, 2650 milliamp modular battery. The manufacturer claims up to 20 minutes of flight time under typical conditions. Actual endurance depends on factors such as wind, speed, temperature, camera usage, and flying style. The modular battery design also makes swapping batteries quick and convenient if you purchase extras. The GT60 is packed with beginner-friendly functions. These include one-key takeoff, one-key landing, GPS return home, follow me, Waypoint Flight, Headless Mode, Optical flow hover, altitude hold, electronic camera angle adjustment, and stable GPS-assisted flight. Whether you're just starting out or have some flying experience, these intelligent features help make each flight more enjoyable. The GT60 is an excellent choice for first-time drone pilots, travelers, outdoor enthusiasts, content creators, hikers, campers, families, vacation photographers, and anyone looking for a lightweight GPS drone without moving into the premium price category. Let's summarize the highlights. Lightweight 245-gram design, foldable and travel-friendly, GPS positioning, auto return home, follow me mode, Waypoint Flight, built-in screen controller, optical flow hover, front obstacle sensing, adjustable camera angle, electronic image stabilization, optional airdrop capability. There are a few things to consider. 720p camera is suitable for casual use rather than professional filmmaking. Obstacle sensing is primarily forward-facing and may not detect every obstacle. Real-world battery life depends on flying conditions. GPS performance requires a strong satellite signal, especially for return home accuracy. Overall, the GT60 GPS drone offers an impressive collection of features in a lightweight, foldable package. The combination of GPS-assisted flight, return home, follow me, waypoint navigation, obstacle sensing, a built-in display controller, and optional airdrop functionality makes it an attractive choice for beginners and recreational pilots. If you're looking for a portable drone that's easy to carry, simple to operate, and packed with smart flight features for outdoor adventures, the GT60 is definitely worth considering. So, what do you think? Would you choose the GT60 for travel, aerial photography, or weekend adventures? And if you had the optional airdrop feature, what would you use it for? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more drone reviews, smart gadgets, and innovative technology. Thanks for watching, Caring Guy, and I'll see you in the next video.